Hello everyone, welcome back to Home Sense with Nell. This is Nell. First off, I want to say thank you for visiting my channel and subscribing and commenting on my videos. I really appreciate it. And today I want to share with you how I designed my succulent garden in my backyard. I call it the Succulent Garden of Friendship because all of the plants in there were donated either by friends, co-workers, or relatives. I'm not going to talk too much. I just wanted to show you what I did. I'm a gardening amateur, but I hope you enjoy it. Keep watching. So this is the space in my garden that is about 10 feet long, and I'd say about 4 feet wide or so. My helper, my little dog, has come out to see what I'm doing. And these are an example of the succulents that I added to my garden. So these are all cuttings from my co-worker's yard, actually. There's various types of succulents. I wasn't exactly sure how to harvest them, but she told me to simply cut them off from the stem. And she said all you have to do is stick them in the dirt and they should be fine. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. So unfortunately, I don't have footage of the very beginning of the project, but you can see here I had basically placed my succulents in the ground where I wanted them. I purchased some brown mulch from Home Depot, and then I just covered all of the exposed dirt with the brown mulch. But then later on, I realized that I didn't want to place my decorative rocks on top of the mulch, so then I had to remove the mulch, as you can see me doing here. So in hindsight, I wouldn't put the mulch down first. I'd put the decorative rocks down first. But as I said, I'm a beginning gardener, so I'm just learning. Now I've removed the rocks so that I can go ahead and open them up and lay them down around the succulents. other side of the garden is also landscaped with donated succulents, as well as a succulent that the previous owner left, which is that tall elephant tree, I believe it's called. And those rocks I found in my yard. So even though the succulent garden is still in process, this is the completed look for the day anyway. I think it came out pretty nice. I didn't spend a lot of money on materials. I just bought about 3 bags of mulch, like I said, from Home Depot. I bought about maybe 10 bags of those white decorative rocks from the dollar store. And the large rocks I found in my yard, and the plants were all donated or left by the previous owner. So I'm pretty happy with it, but I will continue to upgrade it and update you guys with new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for visiting by Home Scents with Nell. And please like, share, and subscribe if you like more videos. Thank you.